Good morning, students. Yesterday we have finished the explanation of question answer till question number 13. So now today next is long answer question. Distinguish between the two types of diseases. Two types of diseases, all of you know that some diseases is spread and some are not spread. So disease that spread and diseases that do not spread. Disease that spread, in that we can write it will be caused by the germs, and they are not that some diseases do not spread. We can write their first point, it caused because of the lack of something in our body. Something means vitamins, nutrients, okay, proteins also, calcium also, okay. So first point, in diseases that spread, what we have to write? We have to write these are caused by germs. And then in next column, these are caused due to lack of certain nutrient in diet or some other reasons. And the second point, the diseases spread from one person to another through from, I have told you, through from air, water, and by touch also. That is the airborne diseases, waterborne diseases, some diseases spread by the insects also. Okay, so in that second column we can write these diseases do not spread from one person to another. That diseases do not spread from one person to another, it only. Then third point, we can give example that diseases spread. What we can give? Common cold, all of you know. Then chicken pox, measles, other another what it is? That disease can spread from air also, water also, typhoid. You can write. Okay, you can write another names also, whatever I have given. Then next one is example, we can write allergies. Yeah, it is because of extreme hot or cold weather. Okay. Then next, page number 18, multiple choice questions. Which of the following is a way of preventing airborne diseases? Airborne diseases is that diseases can spread. So we have to take care that do not spread. So what we have to do? We have to wear mask. We know some points, but for multiple choice question, what I have told you, you have to read all the options and think about that and then choose correct option. Okay, see, first one is using a water purifier. So using a water purifier, we can prevent the disease which spread from water. Okay, so it will be not correct option. Then second one is wearing a mask, that I have told you. But what we have to do? We have to read all the options. So B, we know it will be correct, but we have to read all the options. Using mosquito repellent cream. We use mosquito repellent cream, but that diseases spread by insects, it can be useful, but for airborne diseases it is not useful. Then eating junk food, it will be also wrong. So correct option is wearing a mask. So next question is, which one of the following is a way to prevent waterborne diseases? First option, washing both hands with soap and water before and after eating. Because think about this option, that diseases spread through the touch. It will be helpful, but for waterborne diseases it will be not helpful. So second option. So first one is wrong. Second one, using a handkerchief while sneezing or coughing. So it is also helpful for preventing the airborne diseases. The next one, drinking clean water after boiling or purifying. In the question number 15 I have told you. So C will be correct. But read D also. Wearing full sleeve clothes. So correct answer will be C. That is drinking clean water after boiling or purifying. The next short answer question. What does the doctor do for us when we suffer from any disease? So what they are doing? They are doing first they doctor check up, then they ask you what we are feeling, and then they conclude which disease may be caused us, and that process is called the diagnosis. That is the identifying the disease. So what you have to write the answer? The doctor diagnoses the disease we are suffering from. He or she or any person also gives medicine to treat that disease. Then how can we prevent mosquito bites? Any two ways. So because of mosquito bites we can use roll-on also. All of you know that only two dots. Okay. Then some cream also we can use. All of you know that how can we prevent. So what you can write? By wearing full sleeves clothes and full pants when you are playing. Okay, you have to take care about that. When you are playing, what you have to do? You have to full sleeves shirts. Okay, full sleeves dress and full pants. Then applying a mosquito repellent cream or lotion when going out to play. So that is the two option. The next one, how can we keep ourselves safe from diseases that do not spread? Write in the space given. Use the images as hints. So first image, what they given us? Image of dry fruits, then fruits, non-veg, then what the milk products. So it will be healthy food. So we can write eat a balanced diet also, or we can write eat a healthy food. Okay. Then next, what they are doing? Some boys and girls are playing football. So football is outdoor game. So we can write play outdoor games. It will be helpful for keep our body safe from diseases. The next one, that image given. The image is in that image you can see the burger. Okay, so it will be junk food. So and they have given the cause. So it will be that cause. What we have to write? Avoid eating junk food. And the next picture you can see one boy and one girl, they are exercise. So we can write their exercise daily. Then last question, it is the puzzle. It is the very interesting question. They have given the across and down some clues and the picture also. So it is very easy. Question number 20. What care should be taken during epidemics? Epidemics means which example can you give for epidemics? It is the COVID-19 also epidemics. It will be spread largely in the people. Solve the following crossword to answer. So for across, drink this type of water. Okay, it is the A. You can see they have given one pot there, and in that water is there. So we can write that drink this type of water means it is the boiled water. So what you have to write? The spelling of boiled, boiled. The next is eat this type of food, B1. In that image you can see chapati and some vegetable. So, and it is the homemade. So they have given one clue also. Eat this type of food. One image also. And first letter is H. Then fifth letter is M. So we cannot write the healthy food. Healthy spelling, it is not correct for that square. So you can write there homemade, HOMEMADE. Then C, get this person to check the one who is sick. You can see in that picture it is the doctor. So in standing line you can write DOCTOR. Then last one, wear this when going out. That boy wearing mask. So answer is mask, MASK. So here we have finished all the question answers. So I hope you have better understand the fourth lesson. So when we complete the another lesson of EVS 2, we take the test of 10 marks. Both lessons, EVS 1 and EVS 2. One lesson from EVS 1, one lesson from EVS 2. So you have to ready for that. So what you have to do? You have to study. Okay. From Monday, we are going to start the new lesson. Thank you.